Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi,
I'm Lauri.
I'm Hanna.
And today we have work safety special.
We are gonna show you why you should wear safety boots.
And also we are going to show when they don't help anymore. What's the point when they don't matter at all? And you are just as fine as those great engineers on Facebook doing all the repair work on flip-flop shoes. And then, to compensate all of that useful information, we are going to do something completely stupid and meaningless. We haven't even done the experiment yet, but I already say that everybody, including me, is going to even sleep with the safety boots. This is going to be so good demonstration. This is going to be demonstration what happens when you drop stuff on your toes wearing flip-flops. So we have prepared our test arena here. We want to capture everything because I want everybody really to start wear safety shoes. I think this weighs probably as much as Hanna. And this is the heaviest thing that I dare to drop. I'm not sure what I was expecting for, but I think nobody was ready for this.
Oh, they have cut like really well.
They're completely gone. But if there's something positive to have, it's pretty clean cut.
It is, yeah.
I think you don't have to do anything. No need to go to doctor because your toes are like gone. You are not ready for this. I already saw it.
Oh, wow.
I think we did a good job here. Comment down in below if you are starting to wear more safety shoes after seeing this. And now we are going to test safety shoes. We are going to test the same shoes that we use ourselves. These are CEV shoes. I have really old pair that's been outdoors, so it's a bit moldy. But I think it doesn't affect on the safety rating.
No, you have some blood in your face. This is foot and toes, and these are going in.
Okay, here it goes.
Ooh.
I think it was good hit. Okay, moment of the truth. Ta-da!
I think something happened.
No, it's the bone, it's okay.
Ah, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Turns out safety shoes work. I think we have to still crush them to see what's the limit. You can see how much there is still room between the...
Yeah, the piece and the floor.
Yeah. I would say that it squeezes the cap of the shoe maybe half an inch or 1 centimeter. So I think you are going to feel some tingling on your toes, but you can still keep them. I think that's a pretty good deal.
Yeah.
Here is the setup. I'm not sure what you have to do to end up on this position. Maybe something like this. Probably not wise. Let's see how unwise. Okay, Hanna.
Yeah.
How many tons until we see some toes?
5.
I'm not sure will they extrude out at all.
They will.
Okay. $400. I think this is still okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you are still having.
I think now it's starting to hurt. Now it's not good.
Okay.
Okay, I think the toes are now visible.
They escaped.
And the toes escaped. It pushed it back on the shoe. I think we have to redo this. Yeah. Okay, there are now candles and Play-Doh to simulate the rest of the foot after the toes.
Oh, it comes there.
Let's crush it a bit more, just the tip.
Oopsie daisies. Well, that's bad if your leg says that.
It explodes. I would say that this is the same result as with the landmine. There is some ground beef. I would say that your toes are about as happy as they are without the shoe. But if you are carrying something really heavy and you drop it, then these work.
Yeah.
I think it's more reasonable to drop something on your toes than accidentally crush them with 75 tons. So good product, safety shoe. Let's move on. Okay, and as a first stupid thing, we are going to turn snowballs into ice cubes, because why not? Okay, so if we want to make ice cubes, we have to have icy tools. And these have been out like 2 weeks, but unfortunately, somebody left cat food inside of these. I'm not sure who did that, but somebody.
Whoa.
Ah, now it opened.
Nice. Luckily it's frozen cat food, so it's
Yeah, that's pretty like reasonable.
Easier to clean.
Yeah, the ice cubes, they don't work on your drink if they have some cat food on them. Your drink is going to taste like shit. Instrument. Ooh, satisfying. Okay, now we are going to move to the press quite quickly so these don't like warm up. This is also like Finnish way of flexing. The electricity is at the moment 45 cents per kilowatt hour and we have the stores open because hey, YouTube money.
YouTube money.
Okay, so I'm going to take the snowballs and shove them here. It's important to get this like completely full because ice is much more dense than snow. That's the like difference. So you can make ice by crushing the shit out of the snow. This is also the same way as the glaciers work because it rains the snow and when you have enough snow it's really heavy and it crushes the snow on the bottom to be ice. Okay, now it's ready.
Wow! Is it hard?
Yeah. It's actually worked.
Yeah.
Listen. It's actual ice. It's funny how surprised Hanna is.
Yeah.
I think Hanna didn't believe that I can do this.
No.
Yeah, but hey, ice cube. What's next? Okay, then the next stunt. We are going to turn tree into lava because here we have ash. If you try to just heat this up with the oxy-acetylene, it's going to like blow it all over the place. So we are going to turn it to rock and then we try to melt it. Oxy-acetylene is like 3000 degrees Celsius. It's like hot as hell. And almost any element can take that heat without melting. Carbon can take it, but all the carbon has been burnt away. So what is this? I'm not sure, but will it melt? That's the question. And this is mixture of the fine Finnish trees from our yard, burnt in our oven. I have, by the way, the video about the oven. I link it on description because I have like race going on with Anni. When I made the video, I said that it's going to take over 1000 views. And Anni said that never, and now it has 81. So please check my oven video so I can beat my ex-wife. I think this is going to work. This is going to work so well. That's really dense. Okay, here it comes. Okay, even with all of that pressure, it's really heavy, by the way.
Is it?
Look, there is like,
Oh.
there is small amount of like coal or carbon left. Okay, let's try to melt this. Okay, here it goes. Will it melt? A lot of flames. Hard to say, it's really bright. I need bigger flame, this is too weak. Yeah, this is like, this is more my style.
Oops.
Okay. Maybe a bit more. Bit more heat. That's hot. That's about 3000 degrees Celsius. Hey, it's melting.
Ooh.
Okay. This was too close, it started to backfire inside of my torch. But for a very small moment, I saw some melting on the top surface.
Okay.
Yeah, this didn't trigger all the way here, so it was just like inside of this part. That was that corner there that I was melting. I think it really doesn't melt. Should we try more? No, I'm not a quitter. I'm going to melt it more.
Okay.
I think I'm going to change this.
Do you have little one?
I have a small torch. This is good for me.
Yeah, I think this is better. It's working.
Is it melting?
Yeah. Behold, we made a 3 glass.
Yeah. Wow. It's definitely melted.
That corner has melted. Yeah, let's try to poke it.
Ooh. It was a bit hard.
Where is the corner now?
There.
Yeah, but I'm not sure can you see it on the camera. But when I heat it, you can clearly see it looks like a bit like welding steel.
Okay.
Something was melting, and actually I cheated a little bit. I checked before what is going on. There is quite a lot of like stuff that turns into carbon dioxide when you heat it up enough. Okay. So it just goes away after like 1000 degrees Celsius. But there are some like salts and stuff like that are going to melt and turn into glass-like substance when it cools down.
Nice.
So you can make 3 glass, but it's like really dirty and there's a lot of shit inside of that, and also the tools are exploded today, so don't try this at home. Yeah, but that is all for today.
Thank you for watching.
And have a nice day.